It's chess against Martin, but I have to spend money every time I move a piece. It's $1 for pawns, it's $3 for knights and bishops, it's $5 for the rook, $9 for the queen, and $10 to move the king. I only have $100 and I need to win the game before I run out of money. Good luck, Martin. Let's get started with e4, and I am going to keep track over here on a piece of paper how much I have left so that I don't, run out. So I'm going to go for a $3 spend there. Puts me at 96 if I can do math. And it's really a big question of, do I go for the Scholar's Mate or not? Because if he sees it, I'm spending $9. That's a lot. That's a lot. I think Martin will see it. I really think he will. I'm going to play knight c3. I'm just afraid because I've played it before and usually he stops it. There's been like a couple games, but yeah, usually he stops it. I'm going to play knight c3. I'm going to try to keep an eye on my budget. Okay, yeah, see? He was probably going to play that anyway, and I would have wasted $9. So let's go d4. That's a nice, safe move. Okay. I don't really want to move the king. That's a $10 move, so that's not worth it. I think I will... Do I want to pin it? Yeah, I probably need to get the bishop out. Let's pin it. We'll pin it. Okay. d5 is a nice, safe move. I could recapture with the pawn. That's pretty cost effective. Let's play d5. Probably should just keep developing. I need to get the pieces set up nicely so that I can look for checkmate. Let's play knight f3. Yeah, normally I would totally want to castle, but is it worth $10? Is it worth $10? That's 10 pawn moves? Or 3 moves with these pieces? Probably not worth it, honestly. Probably not. Like, normally, if I'm playing chess, I'm going here, I'm castling queenside, but that's like 19 bucks. I'm not going to spend 19 bucks on that. No way. Should I go for this? It looks pretty good. Yeah, let's do that. e5. A nice, cheap move. Wow, Martin. King to e7. Bringing out the Bon Cloud. The delayed Bon Cloud. Okay, I'm going to take here, I think. Can take back. Check. It's probably not good enough. I could bring a knight in also. Actually, that's not a bad idea. Really taking advantage of the pin. Let's do that for $3. Okay, he goes back. Now I think it's the time to take it. That's a simple one. Ah, okay. He's trying to lock up the position so I run out of money. I see what you're doing, Martin. All right, let's actually play h4. I'm going to see if I can activate the rook somehow. So we'll play h4. That's a nice, cheap idea. Play h5. And we'll take it. Okay, so now we can bring the rook in, but I'm still a little bit short here. I'm not quite ready to... Let's play knight e5. Let's just bring the troops in. Okay, so I could come down here. That looks pretty promising. I could also take here. I don't know what Martin's going to do. Looks like he's... Yeah, I think I am going to go for the rook move. It's expensive, but this is a really good move, I think. We're doing fine on the budget, so I think we're in good shape here. Let's take it with the knight because it's cheaper, and then we can move the knight and probably push the pawn. So yeah, we'll do that for 3. Do I take this to open up the queen? Ooh. It opens up this too. Or I just move this and push the pawn. That's actually probably just good enough. We'll go knight h6 for $3. He's trying to run, but is that checkmate? That's checkmate. Let's just check. Wait, why does it say mate in 2? Am I missing? Oh, there's a bishop. Wow. All right, I didn't see that, but yeah, it's still mate in 2, and it's 2 pawn moves, so that's pretty easy. Yeah, I have plenty of money, Okay, that was fun, but now let's try our luck against a different bot. I mean, I gotta do it. Let's try the Nelson bot. Okay, so here we go. Budget is resetting, so we're back at $100. We're gonna play against Nelson, and here we go. Let's play e4. Now, I'm going to have to play better moves against Nelson. I'm going to play knight c3. He's going to bring the queen out, and then I'll just attack it. I think that's a good start. We'll play knight c3. And we'll play knight f3, as expected. And I think I'm probably going to have to castle this game. It's probably going to be really risky to not castle. So let's go bishop c4. And could just go on the offensive, actually. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. Maybe I will. Okay, and I think we play d4 here. It's a nice, cheap move. What's he doing? What are you doing, Nelson? He wants me to move. Man, I don't really want to move that knight. Probably have to. It's kind of expensive, though. Okay. Do I want to take that? Yeah, I gotta castle. I gotta get my king out of the center so we don't run into problems, and so I can use my rook. It's gonna be too good. So that's a $10 move, which is quite expensive, but I had to do it. I just had to. Okay. I'm gonna play rook e1. Also an expensive move, but I think a necessary move to get the rook involved. He does take it. So he's lining himself up here for some serious trouble. So how do I best take advantage of this? Probably just opening things up is the way to go. So let's take here. That's a cheap one. What if I just bring the knight in? What if I just go for it? Bring the knight in, bring the queen in, go for the king. Let's do it. Ooh, Stockfish didn't like that move. Stockfish did not like that move. All right, well, we're going for it. 9. I know it's expensive. But I'm still doing okay on the budget. And oh yeah, this is good. This is really good. Although he does have bishop e6. What an annoying move. Nelson is putting up quite the fight. Let's go bishop g5. According to my calculations, I have $52. Hopefully I didn't do anything wrong. I'm going to bring this rook over. This is risky. This is so risky. I might be getting into trouble here, actually. You know what I could do? I could take this. That's a cool move, actually. I'm going to do that for $5. Just noticed that, because now I can take his queen. Yes. Okay, now we can come in with the knight. For 3 more. What are we at? 41? Okay. I think we need to do it. I think we need to bring this rook over. And I'm running out of money. Okay. According to my calculations, I have $36 left. Is that enough to win this game? $36. Here looks to be one of my better chances. Let's go here. Knight f7. Puts me at 33. I have mate in 5, but is it a bunch of queen moves? Ooh, well, I think we have to do this. That looks too good. That's 9. That puts me at what is that? $24. Okay, it's mate in 4. Let me find the mate first. So 1, 2. Wait, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's too many queen moves, right? That's 3 queen moves. I don't have money for that. I only have $24. How am I going to win with $24? Uh-oh. Okay. Is there a cheaper way to do it? Let's see. If I take, he's going to go there. Man, and then I don't think I can win. Okay, hold on. I could bring the rook down, but that's not going to work either, is it? Depends what he does. He might make a mistake. That might be my best chance. Let's take with the rook. It's not the mate in 4, but it's a little cheaper. That puts me at $19 if I didn't do any arithmetic errors. Okay, so we have $19. That's 2 moves with the rook and 1 queen move. Uh-oh. Let's see. If I go here, I'm threatening checkmate. Now, he can stop that. So I could maybe set up with a bishop move first. I could go here, but then I don't know what he's going to do. Could potentially set up another checkmate. Yeah, I think bishop b5 is a good move. Let's go bishop b5. So I still have $16. Okay, $16. And we do have mate in 2. Where's the mate in 2? There's mate in 2. Let's see. Check. He takes it. That's not mate. Check. If he takes, then I take. But if he goes here, where's the checkmate? Okay, you can solve mate in twos, Nelson. Let's just slow down. Think it through. Think it through. Here, here, and I would have to checkmate in one move. I can't. So that's not it. Because he can block with the knight in any case or take my bishop. So that's... What's the mate in two? I'm so confused. I can't... All right, so there's two problems. The first problem is I can't find mate in two. Second problem is I only have $16. So if it's a mate in two with a queen and a rook, I'm good. I'm good. I just can't find it. Like, this looks like a really good move, but nothing's defending my rook. Rook here. Threatening the checkmate here. Oh, maybe it's rook here. So it's threatening this. If he moves the knight anywhere, then this is checkmate. If he brings this over, then there's no checkmate. Oh, is it rook b7? This is crazy that I stumbled upon this really difficult mate in two. Is it rook b7? Because then if he goes there, I have checkmate on c7. And it's still, well, it's not really threatening a checkmate though. This is crazy. Oh, no. Queen c7 is still checkmate. It is, because the bishop there. Okay, hold on. So it's rook b7. This is the threat. Can he stop that? I don't think so. I think that's it. And I'll have $1 left. Exactly $1. Let's see if I'm right. Rook to b7. Yes. What's he gonna do? So that was $5. And $11 left. And we come in with the checkmate on the Nelson bot. That was too close for comfort, guys. Wow. All right. What a nice finish. That was a very difficult mate in two, though. I'm like actually surprised. Usually mate in twos are not that difficult, especially when you have a queen and a rook like that in front of the king. That one was tricky, though. That one was really tricky. That was a lot of fun. Thank you guys for the suggestion. Multiple people suggested this in different ways, so I just went with this version. But if you have ideas for tweaking it, let me know. I think that was a lot of fun. I'll probably do this again in the future. So anyway, thank you guys, and I'll see you next time. Stay sharp, play smart, and take care.